one of the first things that I found out about Helping Hands, because they do these packets of nuts, mixed nuts, काजू बादाम किशमिश वगैरह, and it's just simple roasted nuts which are damn tasty. तो एक दिन मैं घर आया और टेबल पे पड़े थे तो मैं खाने लगा. तो मैंने कहा कि यार ये बड़ी अच्छी चीज़ है, कहाँ से आई है? It's from Helping Hands. So I wanted to know more about who they are, what do they do, how can we help. So the first thing which we thought of is कि हमारा के लिए जो birth announcements नहीं होते हैं, you send to everyone. So we wanted to get packets of this from Helping Hands. So we thought that कि हमारा की खुशी में in that happiness we wanted to maybe try and help out also. So not just buying regular mithai. So it becomes in my mind Imara's contribution.
मामू जान के बारे में आप क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? उनका जो न्यू पोस्टर आया हुआ है, आमिर आप फिलहाल अभी मिल रहे हैं तो आमिर पीके पोस्टर जो
I cannot imagine why people are making so much drama about it. लोग बड़े आसानी से offend हो जाते हैं.
नो ये ड्रामा नहीं, बस आपका एक ओपिनियन जानना चाहेंगे इमरान कि आप क्या
कमाल की बॉडी बनाई है
जी,
कमाल की बॉडी बनाई है उन्होंने. मेरा यही ओपिनियन है.
क्या आप कभी वो
लुक के लिए
आप एग्री हो?
सॉरी वर्ड.
अगर आपको किसी फिल्म में अगर उस लुक को ट्राई करने का मौका मिले या फिर आपको लगे कि यार
अच्छी खासी बॉडी बनानी हो, बना के रखिए.
न्यूड लुक की बात करें, जैसे आमिर खान ने न्यूड लुक दिया है.
Would you like to follow Aamir Khan's footsteps? You know, if you would.
Yeah, I don't have any such qualms about being undressed on camera.
And would you prefer a transistor as well?
I'm from a slightly newer generation. I would use an iPad.
Can I tell you how Imran has changed? Yeah, actually, I want to know on a personal level rather than just, you know.
Thank you all for coming.
No, I mean, the kind of changes that you go through, I don't even know if I can elaborate correctly. But yeah, I mean, I have become sensitive to everything. I think I've just become like a weeping mess. I see like an ad on TV and I'm like crying. I'm looking at him. So yeah, having your own child is life-changing in every possible way. And I mean, I'm glad. I'm really glad that I got to experience it. And Imran and I both, I think, have changed entirely. I mean, I feel like I've changed entirely. I've grown up. I think I was the child first. So now I'm a grown up. And he who used to pride himself on being like this ninja-like master of stealth, you know, could be in and out of a room and you wouldn't be able to tell, has now become the clumsiest man on the planet. And every time his daughter is asleep, he will drop everything inside. So.
Always knows. मेरी हमेशा कोशिश यही रही है कि मैं अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को प्रायोरिटी दूँ, क्योंकि ये मेरी ज़िंदगी है. एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू मी कि मुझे वक्त मिले कि मैं अपने घर वालों के साथ घर पे बैठूँ, बाहर जाऊँ, जो भी है. आई शुड हैव टाइम टू स्पेंड विद देम. एंड दैट इज़ ऑलवेज बीन द केस. दैट विल नेवर चेंज.